The Parent PowerUp is the most impactful parent offering that we have all school year.
Parents will leave feeling inspired, empowered, and just equipped to really connect with their kids and help them grow at home while they're learning.
It is really a place for them to get support and strategies that they can apply to their day-to-day instruction with their students.
Helps us as families, as parents, to get involved and get excited about everything that the school has to offer.
Coming to events like this, it broadens our network. We're able to meet people from different areas.
The students are getting to find their buddies and enjoy incredible educational activities, while the parents are getting wonderful tools and strategies to instruct those children when they are the parent educator at home.
We're working on the Rube Goldberg, they're working on levers and pulleys, and it's just a wonderful time here.
We bring in our providers to also give a taste of some of the things they might do with some of their extracurricular activities and to supplement their learning.
My favorite part was the Code Ninjas because I got to build something. I like making the drink. My favorite part is when I had to do jiu-jitsu because it was fun taking down the instructor.
And I highly recommend parents coming here to get educated.